it's Melissa here from Little Kosher Lunch, and it's July and we're doing lots of lunch packing for summer camp. I've heard from some of you that you're looking for more vegetarian ideas. Thank you for the suggestion, Daisy Ann. So in today's video, I've cut together 5 different lunches from last week, showing a lot of diversity for vegetarian or flexitarian diets. As you can see, we're into summer corn, so we're gonna have a corn salad later today. But do hit the subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up if you like this kind of content, or give me your feedback for other videos you'd like to see. And with that, let's get into it. We've made a very simple but good vegetarian lunch for camp this morning. I normally don't like to do a lot of baking or stuff in the oven in the summers, but last night I was able to make some banana bread muffins and banana bread that cleared up a lot of space in my freezer. So just wanted to mention a baked good for summer as like the one special thing to put into your lunchbox. If it were zucchini bread or something else healthy, I would feel good about that too. And then the rest of lunch is just like a kind of like a happy hour style lunch. So I have tomatoes and cucumbers with ranch. I did slice them fancy. I just use my veggie peeler and slice them. They're just kind of prettier that way. I have spoon tomatoes, big tomatoes, cucumbers, and ranch, 1 small peach, and then I'm really anti-snack pack, so I have a big box of Cheez-Its that my daughter has gone crazy over recently. So she got a few Cheez-Its and a few tortilla chips to have something salty and crunchy in her lunch today. And that is it. Here's another example today of a lunch I packed for my 4-year-old daughter to take to camp. I was thinking of grain salads and pasta salads. So I got out the Israeli couscous and it cooked up in 4 minutes. Tossed with a little bit of oil, some salt, some lemon zest for flavor, and a squeeze of lemon just to brighten it. You could use a vinaigrette if that's quick and easy for you and something that you like. And then I would just throw in your veggies and throw in your cheese for a healthy but satisfying and substantial either pasta salad or grain salad. And this is something that you can definitely do in advance. I just don't have a lot of refrigerator space today, so I cooked it up real quickly this morning. But you could put in, you know, peppers or cucumbers, or a can of olives would be great. So that was a great lunch choice for me this morning. I paired this little pasta or Israeli couscous salad with some really fun items. I got a yellow watermelon at the store, which is super eye-popping, and I got out my melon baller, which was pretty quick work. I just cut a slab off of the melon and just melon ball a small section of it. We had the balance of that for breakfast, and then I had cherries that I ran through my cherry pitter, some Cheez-Its that my daughter is all about these days, and then I went ahead and threw in another banana muffin that I had made earlier this week. So that is lunch today. I just wanted to let you know what I'm having for lunch today. So I've had this jar of fire roasted peppers for a really long time, and I'm ready to get into them. So I've been planning to do wraps with them. I've layered a half of a sliced avocado, some mayonnaise on mine. My husband's has no mayo, and I'm gonna do a layer of these delicious, already made fire roasted peppers. And I have sliced cheese. I have Havarti cheese today that I picked up sliced already for my convenience. And then last night I made blanched asparagus, and I thought it would be fun to put 1 or more asparagus spears in the middle of my pinwheel wrap and cut it so you can see it, or leave it like burrito style so it's all encased. And then also last night for dinner we had fried chicken, and I made coleslaw. So I have leftover coleslaw. I have tons of fruit because it's summertime, so we eat a lot of fruit and sometimes raw veggies and dip. So just really wanted to showcase the wrap for you today. I'm gonna put it together and then you can see the finished product. You could use cream cheese, a flavored cream cheese, a hummus, or other kind of dip. So anyway, just an idea to keep in mind to use up odds and ends that might be in your refrigerator, leftovers, for like a fresh alternative to your usual spiral or pinwheel sandwich. What I did today was I utilized all of my side dishes that I had from the night before, and then I had a mini leftover mini grilled burger that I am putting on a lettuce leaf with sliced tomatoes from the garden. And that is being served with mayo because my daughter loves mayonnaise on her burger, but she also loves mayonnaise with tomatoes. It's kind of like a ranch dressing substitute in our house. And if you are packing a vegetarian lunch and you just want to swap out the burger for something else, there's so many choices that you could kind of plan ahead for. If you're grilling, you could do a grilled vegetable sandwich, you could do a caprese sandwich, you could scramble an egg and do a scrambled egg sandwich on bread with or without tomatoes, and then again just utilize the side dishes from barbecue season. I have made it to Friday and I just wanted to share today's lunch with you, which is another vegetarian lunch that I packed. I have little tiny baby croissants that I got at our Asian supermarket's bakery. They were 25 cents a piece. I got them in a package of 10. And as you can see, they're so cute. I made little cheese sandwiches with sliced Havarti, some butter lettuce that I had, mayonnaise, and then I have a sliced garden tomato over here on the side that my 4-year-old can tuck in at lunchtime. And since it's going to be 111 degrees today, I am doing a double ice pack in my lunch bag. I've packed a remaining wedge of watermelon left over from the 4th of July. I have a second little sandwich for her, a couple of Cheez-Its in the treat compartment, and a whole row of pitted black cherries that I just ran through my cherry pitter. So really simple lunch today, but just showing how a miniature version of something familiar can be really exciting. And these were a great deal and can also be frozen for a rainy day. So very excited for that. It makes a cheese sandwich way more exciting. And I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.